Cobra. The cobra is one of the most famous snakes in the world. It is known for spreading its hood when threatened. Cobras are venomous and can deliver a dangerous bite. They are found in Asia and Africa and have become symbols in many cultures and legends. 2. Rattlesnake. The rattlesnake is recognized by the rattle at the end of its tail. When it feels threatened, it shakes the rattle to warn predators. These venomous snakes are mainly found in North and South America. Their warning sound helps them avoid unnecessary fights. 3. Pythons are large, non-venomous snakes that kill prey by constriction. They wrap their powerful bodies around animals and slowly squeeze them. Some species can grow over 20 feet long. Pythons are found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. 4. Anaconda. The anaconda is one of the heaviest snakes on Earth. It lives in rivers and swamps of South America. Anacondas are excellent swimmers and can overpower large animals. Despite their size, they usually avoid humans whenever possible. 5. Coral snake. The coral snake is famous for its bright red, yellow, and black bands. Its colorful appearance warns predators that it is highly venomous. Coral snakes are generally shy and spend much of their time hidden underground or beneath leaves. 6. Viper are known for their long, hollow fangs and powerful venom. They can strike quickly and accurately. Many vipers have triangular heads and excellent camouflage that helps them blend into their surroundings while hunting. 7. Mamba. The mamba is one of the fastest snakes in the world. Black mambas are especially feared because of their speed and potent venom. They are found in Africa and can move at impressive speeds when escaping danger or hunting prey. 8. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictors are large, muscular snakes that kill prey by squeezing it. They are non-venomous and are found throughout Central and South America. These snakes are excellent climbers and spend time both on the ground and in trees. 9. Garter snake. Garter snakes are common and harmless snakes found in North America. They often live near water and feed on insects, worms, and small amphibians. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in many different environments. 10. King snake. King snakes are famous for eating other snakes, including venomous species. They are immune to the venom of some snakes and use constriction to capture prey. Their striking patterns make them popular among reptile enthusiasts. 11. Blue snake. The blue snake is known for its beautiful blue coloration. Although many blue-colored snakes exist, their bright appearance makes them stand out. These snakes are often admired for their unique beauty and unusual colors. 12. Coral pattern snake. This colorful snake displays bright red, black, and white bands. Such warning colors help deter predators. Many harmless species mimic the appearance of venomous coral snakes as a survival strategy. 13. Flying snake. Flying snakes can glide through the air by flattening their bodies. Found mainly in Southeast Asia, they launch from trees and steer through the air with surprising accuracy. They cannot truly fly, but they are excellent gliders. 14. Dragon snake. The dragon snake has a unique appearance with rough scales and a prehistoric look. It is found in Southeast Asia and spends much of its life near water. Its unusual features make it one of the most fascinating snakes. 15. Serpent dragon ring. This mythical serpent-like creature appears in legends and fantasy stories around the world. Unlike real snakes, it is often depicted as magical, powerful, and capable of incredible feats. It symbolizes mystery, wisdom, and ancient power.